Mary, did you see my message? I sent it 1 hour ago.
Sorry, John. I was on Instagram.
You were on Instagram at work?
Just for 5 minutes, but then I saw a video and another and another.
Mary, it is 11 o'clock. We have a meeting at 11:30.
Oh no, I forgot about the meeting.
This is the third time this week.
I know, I am sorry. I can stop anytime I want.
Can you? Put your phone on the table right now.
Okay, done.
Good. Now open the report.
Yes, right now. John, just 1 second.
Mary!
Sorry, I heard a notification. It could be important.
Is it important?
Uh, it is a cat video.
A cat video.
A very cute cat.
Mary, please turn off the notifications. All of them.
Okay. You are right. I need to stop.
Thank you. Now let's work.
Yes, let's work. After this cat video.
Mary!
I am joking. I'm joking.